May passing kwan eh. There's a passing boat. We're in Dubai Creek. So you have people being transported by these government boats. Yung RTA is government boats. So this is what they call the creek, Dubai Creek. We're staying in Concord Hotel. It's an excellent hotel, rated excellent by Agoda and Booking.com. Kaya we stayed in that place. So we just see, just by watching the activity here. We just had our very hearty breakfast. Ubus wipe out. Masarap. Yun natin, we'll be going up yung sa Al Burj Khalifa daw structure. Our place is in the second floor of the resto. The resto is Golden Fish. So this is yung place niya. Very scenic. Ganda. We'll be taking the metro also, just to test yung public transportation here in Dubai. So we had 2 days in Abu Dhabi. Iba din yung temperament there.
Vloggers, dadaan mo. Maraming salamat sa aking photography.
Okay. Fresh pa kami, But mamaya sigurado pagod na pagod kami.